just gonna match this side up with this side. And this, I did a video, but I'm not gonna post it up because I look a hot mess in it. But anyways, I washed my hair yesterday, and in that video I showed you the products that I put in my hair, which is the Milkshake Dismiss Serum and the Brazilian Blowout Smoothing Serum. I did a cocktail of both together, and I sectioned my hair off into pieces like this, as I'm showing you right now, like that. And yeah, I applied the product, and then I brushed it from my roots all the way up to, from my ends all the way up to my roots. Kim Kardashian's hair is like a beachy, tousled wave. Not even a wave. It's like a ripple effect of an ocean, if that makes sense. So I am kind of smoothing out my big waves for these little ripples, and that's how I'm gonna wear my hair tomorrow for work. Gotta get more of the kink out, and then maybe I'll braid it, I don't know. I have makeup and everything all up on my body. Got it there, on my eyelid. Okay, so this is my hair. My hair is naturally curly and frizzy as hell, and I am dying to get the keratin done. I shall try to do it by myself, even if I have to do it, like do the half of my head one day and do the front the next, because it's a lot of work. This is all the kink that I'm going to take out of my hair. I don't know what it looks like in the back, but I'm pretty sure it's decent. If not, oh well. This is, look, and like I was going to say, I was going to have it up and do some like updo, but I like what I just showed you guys, how to be really spontaneous when it comes to updos and doing makeup. Oh, I think I'm going to wear my hair to work like this tomorrow. Oh, can this even go? Does this look crazy? Ooh. And then we got the low ponytail, the lazy low ponytail. What do you think? Side profile. This was great.